News Avenue, we're back with the bang. Namhlanje sikuphathele uNoma Khumalo. I'm sure uyamkhumbula uNoma Khumalo. Ya, ngimazi kakhulu mina. Uke wawina ama-idols la esasibambe khona umoya sithi bangeni or PMB sibheke ukuthi kuphi la esisondele ngakhona. Sagcina sesithi PMB uNoma-ke ilo-ke kodwa uzoyizwa nevoice yakho usazokukhumbuza ukuthi uNoma umuntu kanjani obenza kanjani before. Asibingelele Noma ngingageqa amagule kathi ngiyebuka.
Plus njani.
All right?
Siyaphila njani.
You look stunning.
Thank you. Thank you. I had to be dolled up for you
And
today.
that's quite into engichazayo today ukuthi namhlanje even though sisho ukuthi early but namhlanje kule interview uNoma iyaphuma itrack yakhe no Pyramid Bloss.
Yeah, our collaboration is coming out today, which is exciting.
Injani?
Avingi mnandi sithi kamduze.
Ushayela ulayini wakho nje. Qala nje ngicela ushayela ulayini wakho.
Shona malanga wena baby uyala ngami. Ubuwazi ukuthi liphakade lami. Then I go, waphula izithembiso, wahyukumeza umoya wami, kodwa manje sengihambile, usubhizi uyangicenga isuka man. So see, I drop it namhlanje. It's available on all digital platforms today.
Yazi into engichazayo lento izwayo le eyabudisa ama-idols 20 ba
2016.
2016.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Leyo moment nje ulindile and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Yo, hayi uNoma-ke uNoma ubusy ngani ngiyazi ukuthi uye waba student teacher ne?
Yeah, I was a student teacher. I-story sami siqala nje kufundiseni izingane esikoleni and you know ngirun music department futhi nasesikoleni. So I was doing a lot of music programs within the school. And then ingane zathi awusisa uyositshengisa phela ukuthi amaphupha ayafezeka yini. So ngahamba
wena watshelwa yingane ukuthi sicela ukuthi uye lapha nama-idols.
Yebo, kids were tired.
Buyiculela yini?
Bengiyiculela ingane.
Wow. Obulo thisha lo othandekayo othanda ingane.
Nje.
Kanti o-grade ba?
It was intermediate phase, so from grade 4 to 7. But obviously my music program ran all the way through to matric.
Then uhamba represent.
Ahamba ayorepresenta. KZN yonke.
Ewasebenza yo. Ewasebenza yo.
Sabuya nayo.
Bathi khona into engingayiqondi kahle ngabantu abawine kuma-idols. I think 1 or 2 engibaziyo abasayibambile. You understand leyo nto? But abanye bavele nje banyamalala nje kumbona futhi omunye waseMaritzburg kwakuthiwa Vincent
Burns. Yes.
Yeah. Naye angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani majority of abantu abawinayo angathi khona ukuthi uyanga
uyanga yes.
But sigcina singabazi ukuthi because nawe ubusunyabalele singasakuboni after ukuwina
fanele ngichaze bengishonephi.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, you know, there's certain things that abantu don't get to see. And I'll say as much as I'm allowed to share. But the competition has contracts in and some are quite heavier than others. And you know, amaciko agcine asephila ngaphansi kwengcindezelo yaleyo ama-contract. It's a challenging thing to get out of. And you know, it can be difficult to even work. No, isikhathi sokufunda usithathaphi because ufunda ingoma, ama-group songs, ama-dance moves. Fanele ube ready for camera. You have to, you know, there's a whole lot of things you're doing at the time. And where do you find the time to read a contract in 100 pages?
Yazi ngikhumbuze ngithi boyothenga imoto because usuke ube ne-interest ukuthi uthole imoto lokungena emgwaqweni awusayini big file lento bose ukhunduza ukuthi no wathi angebhaluni payment okay uyiqedile but kusafanele ukhokhe lezo zinto ey'njalo so manje bakubamba
lapho and you know sometimes kuba even difficult to work nabantu abangaku-understand nokuthi ufuna ukwenzani wena ngempilo yakho bona bafuna ukuthi uyenze lento le abakufunela ukuthi uyenze.
So kugcina kuphenduka i-nightmare.
So my reason for my silence is trying to also help amanye amaciko not fall into the same mistakes that I fell into, you know, and trying to ukuthi, you know, asiqale sifundeni ukuthi yini le business ozoliqala, because you know being a creative is a business. You're a business
because
as
usuke
well.
ungabi nanabameli ne
At the
ususala
time,
la
cha.
ekubona
Yeah.
yazi ibuhlungu le story yazi
Hey, kubuhlungu.
but
Hey.
uyafunda for sure manje usungenza kangcono check it from the hindsight usungenza
Hayi,
kangcono
usuwenza ngcono, yes.
yeah no yazi noma kumnandi ngempela ukuthi sibe nawe namhlanje uzosicacisela ngalezi zinto ezinjalo but the
Yeah.
most important thing manje ile oyenzayo currently le yengoma oyishaye no Pyramid Bloss
Yes.
na ngiye ngambona lana evele ngewinde yabona engathi uzemsakazweni weva
Yeah.
so le ngoma le nicabangile yini enenza ukuthi niqhamuke nayo le ngoma ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi ingoma oyishayayo yokuqala after the storm.
So, you know, it's so funny because my journey with Pyramid started with a mutual friend, Joy Wagambewana.
Okay.
And I've been telling Joy how much I'm desperate just to get back into music and to fall back in love with producing and making music. And Pyramid happened to be part of that conversation. And he said, hey, let's do it.
And
I said,
and
okay,
I
cool.
can sing.
Yeah, he can sing. He can
One
sing.
match voice yakho.
Oh wow!
Awucomplain?
I'm not complaining. Such a beautiful voice. Abantu bazoyizwa.
Bayithola
kuyona le
kuphi
ngoma.
abantu ngiya-understand yaphuma today I can't wait ukuthi ngidownload nama ngithi kuya-download manje thina phela sikhona ngama-CD ukuthi iphumile
ngey'khathi
i-CD.
ama-CD yo thina manje sesihamba ngama-MP3s. We're on digital
Yeah.
platforms, but the song anyone can download on
okay.
social media,
Iphumile,
and
itholakala
digital
yonke
platforms.
indawo.
Everywhere.
Both everywhere yazihlelekizwa nje manje bethi itholakala everywhere suke sikhuluma ngani.
So Apple Music, you know, your YouTubes,
Spotify.
your Spotifys, your Google Play, so Tidal and all of those platforms.
Uyayithola.
You can get it there. It's there.
So manje life wise ikhamba kanjani?
Hey,
I also
babes.
understand ukuthi wenza something noSifsa
Yeah.
inhlangano le yamaciko wenza
Yeah.
something nayo
Yeah.
and ongitshele nje ihamba kanjani?
So
Ngiyabona wakashada.
oh, there's no ring on my finger. Yes, I'm still.
Bayahlupha labafana.
Hey,
Ubuhlo gaga.
nengoma futhi
Ufloat
isho
nje.
njalo ukuthi hey ayisuka man nengoma isho njalo. No, currently in my life I'm a businesswoman.
Oh, okay.
Outside of many things, I'm a businesswoman as well as part of the Cultural and Creative Industries Federation of South Africa.
Yeah.
So inhlangano yamaciko, it's called SIFSA. Within KwaZulu-Natal, ngusekela nobhala we-province SIFSA.
Yo.
So amongst
After
other things,
idols, Jan.
yeah, so I've been
Wakhetha.
busy. I've been busy. It's not too good to want to heal against Luto. It's just too good. I'm trying to build myself. Also as a career somebody. Oh no. I'm hoping ngelinye ilanga uNkulunkulu angangibusisa. Ngengane. But okwamanje career
Ungawari
focus.
ngizokhokha up. Neni out good njengoba yona ijwayele ukuhlanganisa namawele nazonke
Oh.
lezo good shame.
Oh, okay.
Ukuhlanganisa la
Ay,
izosebenza le.
Fanele ungihook up ngempela.
Izosebenza. So
Yeah.
family.
My family, you know, my family is good. They're in a good place. I think as a family, we're going through something that's trying us. But, you
It's
know,
about
God has
right.
been great and, you know, giving us strength to, you know, manage that. So, this is about right.
Now,
Otherwise, my family is good. We're happy.
Yo. Hi. No, ngiyakuzwa. I think ngempela izoba right mfethu. Yazi ngifuna ukucheck out futhi. Ngiyabo uqhubeka nje ne life. Indaba zeingane ke manje ngiyezwe usomabhizinisi wavele wayilaxasa kanjalo ingane.
Okay. Indaba ey'ngane, it's not good to ngiyidlaxaziyela. I do like my vocal coaching for some children that, you know, parents reach out and say, can you assist my child with this? So it's not to say ukuthi ngayilaxaza. Ngathi ngiqeda nje ukuselect kuthiwa hey, and the winner is, and then they say no ma, I got into a plane and mengifika e-airport ngangihlangabezwa izona futhi, you know. It was so beautiful the way
So unothando lwey'ngane.
I love children. I love children. Ave ngiyithanda iy'ngane. That's why I'm saying hopefully one day God will bless me with the child.
Qala ufocus emsebenzini.
Yeah, hey, we want to push the career first.
Ungaphusha ukuthi yazi afike ngiyolanda ingane esikoleni.
Oh, I mean, I'm all for it. I want it. I want that experience. I want it. If I could, you know, the way I love children, iy'ngane zabangani bami, have become my own children, you know. I love children. My brother's children are my children. You know.
So lento yokucula vele bekuyinto yakho nje uzalwa uthole kuphi gospel yini lento le bathini uqala ema-groupini ma-choir bese I'm looking for a choir or something.
I think mhlawumbe ukucula into yabo uma ubuka i-TV mabona kude uba umuntu othi I want to sing just like that one. Yabo ngiyalize ekhathi Destiny's Child phela Beyonce.
So angayithandi iJoyous.
iJoyous ngayibamba later nyana mnganami empilweni ukuthi uthi ngimimike la, but you know you grow up idolizing people that you see on TV and you mimic them, and you end up developing your own ability to sing. I think Uma, when I asked her how early did I develop this talent of singing, what from as early as 6 years old. Mina ngicula esontweni ngiyingane elidayo esontweni, you know. Sisakhula le Olundi, again I'm
wahlala Olundi.
Yeah. I'm a Zululand. Yeah.
No, ngiyakuzwa.
So ucula nje, it's something I've had all through my life. I've been singing all through my life. I got involved in choirs that have traveled overseas and performed for the Queen, the late Queen of England, you know.
So i-genre ithanda yiphi?
Afro soul.
Quite.
Afro soul.
Okay, Afro soul.
Njengamanje khona le vibe ye neon soul engenayo. So I'm an Afro soul girly.
Konje wena liphi iculo nje lapha yiphi inono wawulishaya lapha kuba-idols ungixolele ngi-refer back to aba-idols.
Yeah, no, it's called Wanted to Feel Like It Did With You. It's a song that they obviously selected and said, hey, you
For
record
sure,
this song.
Salaz.
I can't even sing it contractually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yabona ama-contract.
Yeah, it's limiting.
But nabameli abangabizi kakhulu so that ingane zabantu zizoqale bayilekelele
I think balekile mangabe uthi in this sector we should be speaking languages of who's your lawyer, you know. I think artists, it's important that you invest in
so
someone.
ama-shoulders nabantu abaserious kakhulu yazi ngicabanga nje uSibongile Khumalo.
Hey, ma.
Kwakunjani nje ukusebenza noSibongile Khumalo?
It was such an
May her
honor.
soul rest in peace.
Yes, it was such an honor. I think Gisanda Gwina, it was a privilege to be able to share the stage with her. And she said yeah, so we collaborated on that song together, and it was such a beautiful experience, such a gracious singer. I learned so much from Uma.
So I see my future plans now.
My future plans are I'm going to be back in music.
Yeah. People must watch the space.
Must watch the space. Ngiyabuya manje.
Awudlali.
Angisadlali.
Awudlali ingane. And the way you see the child.
Yeah.
Awusasayini izinto ongayicaba understand kahle. Ama-contracts ka-10 years. Awazi ukusayina u-10 years. Boyi-artist. Awazi ukuthi uzobakhiphela ama-album awu-6.
Yeah.
Along the way uzobhoreka, uzofuna ukusuka, akusasukeki.
But also, Blose, khona izinto esingayinaki as amaciko, you know, khona lento kuthiwa ama-advance. They have such nice names, you know. And then amaciko also don't pay attention to ama-terms of those contracts. Uzofica 18 months la phambili uyitshela ukuthi uzosayina for 18 months kanti khona omunye u-24 sazohlangana nawo later on that contract. Khona okunye futhi yabo, and percentage splits, all those things are so important.
Yeah.
And we don't look at that. We're just eager to be a part of it.
Sifuna ukuba semgwaqweni.
Sifuna ukuba busy kuphela. Siyinaki ezinye izinto ukuthi hey, what are you signing your life to? What are you committing yourself to?
And inamanketshane kulo music wenu.
Hey.
It's
a jungle here. Yeah, it's a jungle.
Ngithi wena awusayinile bese kubuya kuma-terms of reference.
Eish.
Yabo le clause ikusharp heart.
Yeah.
But-ke mhlambe bese sigoqa nje mhlambe wena-ke ngokuphila kwakho ubuphi ama-artist owathandayo nje? Uthi these are my favorites.
I'm scared to answer that question because a lot of people that I am close to, I'm still working with, but
No, noma ungababala nabo, it's fine.
I'm gonna
Noma ungababala, it's okay.
okay. I'm gonna mention my obvious. My sister Kelly. Your Naima, she's also my sister.
Yeah. The Khumalos.
The Khumalos. Sifiso sami ngelinye ilanga ukuthi sibe ne Khumalo Sisters track.
Oh yeah.
So it'll be myself, Sandile, Kelly, and Naima. Isifiso.
Isifiso.
Yes.
Don't worry. Stick with me. I'll make you.
You'll make it happen.
Yeah, I'll make it happen.
I'm gonna.
I know ngizokhupha apha ngempela. Sibe noMondli as a producer.
Oh yeah. Hey, sounds like a fire track.
Yabona? No, ngizokhuluma nawe.
I see it.
Oba close.
Yeah, well, they're close.
But-ke ongitsheleke bese sivala. Urelaxa kanjani?
How do I relax? I've never really
Abantu
thought.
bamawayini.
Iwayini. What kind of wine, Ganam?
Red wine.
Oh no. No, I do enjoy a glass. I think my self-care routines require self-time. You're always cut away from people where you're just relaxing.
Yeah.
Your massages.
Uthanda space sakho?
I do like my space. Yeah.
So your favorite hangout spot?
My home.
Serious?
I'm a home somebody. Yeah. Well, I mean, for me, it's not boring, but I love being in a quiet space, light some candles, read a nice book.
Type.
I'm an introverted person. But it depends. Sometimes I'm extroverted if I'm comfortable around you.
Who's the lucky guy? You're beautiful, yes.
Thank you. I'll leave that one blank for now. I'll leave that one blank for now.
Abusive relationship?
No, I'm not in an abusive relationship.
Oh, he's taking good care of you.
He is taking very good care of me.
Oh, she's taking good care of you.
We'll leave that one blank. Yeah, we'll leave that one blank. But I'm quite happy.
I know good to support Chiefs.
Was kanjani to support
Chiefs?
Oh,
beautiful.
Oh my goodness. Well, thank you.
Support Chiefs.
I do, Shame.
Yeah, no, without a doubt.
I do.
So ekuthile lokugcina abantu abahambe bayodownloada itrack iphumile ushaya Pyramid Plus ibizwa ngani?
It's called Come Duze. Please come and support our song. It's called Come Duze. It's with Pyramid and myself, Noma Khumalo. Yes, out today.
Siyabonga ukuzivakashela yezo.
Ngiyabonga for having me.
Don't you dare do what I want to do. If you did, please take pictures. See you in 7.
Bye.